In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize progress toward goals. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can clearly see how close you are to achieving what you've set out to do. Let's start from the main workspace. First, go to the top area of your screen and click on Home. This is your central hub, where you can access all the main sections of your workspace. Opening the Home view makes sure you're starting from a familiar place and not buried inside another project or page. If you're ever lost, coming back to home is a simple way to reset and start again. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled More. This is usually found in the main navigation menu or along the top bar. Click on More to expand additional tools and sections that aren't immediately visible. Think of this as opening a drawer that holds some of the more advanced or specialized features, including your goals area. In the menu that appears, find and click on Goals. This section is dedicated to setting, managing, and tracking your goals. When you open it, you're moving from the general workspace into a focused space where your objectives and their progress are organized. This is where all the visual tracking will happen, so it's worth taking a moment to notice how the page is laid out. You will typically see lists or boards with current goals, along with their status or progress indicators. Now, to create something you can actually track, click on the button labeled Plus New Goal. This is usually located near the top of the goals page. Clicking this will open a form or a panel where you can define a new goal. Here, you'll name your goal, optionally add details like a description, and set any key parameters such as timelines or related tasks. The clearer you are at this stage, the more meaningful your progress visualization will be later. After you've set up the basics of your new goal, look for the option called Progress and click on it. This is the crucial part for visualizing how you're doing. In the progress section, you can typically define how progress will be measured, whether it's a percentage, a number of completed items, or another metric. As you and your team work toward the goal, this is where you'll see the visual representation of your efforts, often in the form of bars, charts, or status indicators. Checking this regularly helps you quickly understand whether you're on track, falling behind, or ahead of schedule. And that's it. By starting from home, opening the More menu, going into Goals, creating a new goal, and then configuring the Progress section, you set yourself up with a clear visual way to monitor your journey toward your objectives.